everybody. Today you have a quiz on decimal operations. So it says answer the questions below. Be sure to show your work. So number one, we are multiplying these numbers together, 15 and 4/10 times 7. So your answer is going to have one decimal place. And if you are wondering why your answer is going to have one decimal place, it's only because there is one decimal place in your answer right there. All right. For number two, you are adding these together, 165 and 3/10 plus 21 and 9/10. So you have to line up your decimals here when you take this from an across addition problem. You're going to do it up and down, right? You want to line up those decimals. And the same thing for number three. And then just don't forget that you need to create a decimal place here after 7. And there's going to be like a little 0 there. Okay, you're going to need to create that a little placeholder there to go along with the 8, to line up with the 8. And then for number 4, we have 986 divided by 68, and your dividend goes inside your house, and it is being divided by your divisor on the outside of the house. For number 5, it says answer the questions below. Be sure to show your work and justify your thinking. It says Oscar is building a fence and purchases 3 boards measuring 2.9 meters long. How many meters of fence board did Oscar purchase? Well, if each fence board is 2.9 meters long and he has 3 of them, you can multiply to get your answer. But also remember that multiplication is also repeated addition, so you could also add 2.9 3 times to get your answer. For number 6 is very similar to number 5. The average mail carrier walks 5.3 kilometers in a workday. How far do most mail carriers walk in a 6-day work week? So again, you can do 5.3 kilometers, right? That's one workday, and we're looking for a 6-day week. Okay, so or you could add 5.3 6 times because a repeated addition is also multiplication. So for number 7, it says a pitcher of lemonade holds 114 ounces. If each serving is 12 ounces, how many servings are there in a pitcher? So we're going to be dividing our 114 ounces into serving sizes of 12 ounces to see how many serving sizes we actually get. So I started you off here. All right, so we have 12 going into 114. Well, 12 can't go into 11. 11 is not big enough, but it can go into 114 9 times. So 9 times 12 gave me 108. I subtract to get 6. Well, 12 can't go into 6, so what I have to do is create new place values and use a placeholder. And don't forget, if you do a decimal there, you're going to need a decimal up here as well. All right? And what ends up happening is you bring this 0 down. To make 60. So really, the only question I'm asking you to figure out is how many times 12 can go into 60, and it can go in evenly. I'll leave it like that. All right. So for questions 8 through 13, these are very simple math problems here, but I did set this one up for you in number 8, all right, to show you how it's supposed to look in your house. I crossed out number 10, okay? And for number 12 is a lot like number 8. So think of it this way. If 807.3 went inside your house, that means 15.17 is also going to go inside your house. So just match up these first numbers, all right, to understand that these are the numbers that go inside your house. For number 14, it says, at the Burger Shack, Jimmy orders 2 burgers at $8.95 each. a side of fries for $3.50, and a soda for $1.49. He's charged $1.60 for tax. How much change will he receive if he pays with $25 in cash? Well, the first thing we got to realize is we're adding up all these prices together to get a final bill. So we got 2 burgers for $8.95. That's why there's two $8.95s here, because there were 2 burgers for $8.95 each. Okay? And then you got a side of fries, a soda, and then the tax. So whatever your answer is, you'll fill into the red box here and subtract that from the $25 he's paying with in cash. And for number 15, a jar of olive oil is priced at $10.08 for 8 ounces. What is the cost per ounce? So we are going to take the $10.08 and divide it by 8 ounces to get the cost per ounce. All right, that's going to be it for today. Good luck on your quiz. Everybody have a wonderful and safe day.